Welcome friends, you are watching Linux for You YouTube channel and my name is Sushil Sharma, and today's topic is how to configure Samba server with a secure authenticated Samba share where only one group is there that will access the Samba share, right? So in the RHCSA exam you have to configure Samba client configuration that I will upload video tomorrow, but at a local lab you have to practice how to configure Samba server so that you can practice Samba client, right? So we are helping students by making this video. So please help us and subscribe on my channel and like my videos, right? So please help us. So let's go to the lab. How to configure the Samba server securely, right? So that is my machine that will become the Samba server where you need to install some packages, right? So sudo dnf install -y. The main package is Samba, and some more packages you have to install. Samba common and Samba client. So these three packages you need to install. If you don't know how to configure DNF first, you can watch my videos. My playlist is there, so you will find a video based on the DNF. How to configure the DNF without RHL subscription with the help of RHL DVD, right? So these labs are making latest in 2026, and latest version we are talking about RHL 10, right? So after adding those packages, you need to create a group and user. So there will be one group with the name finance grp who will access the share, right? So the command is sudo group add finance grp. So this group members have authority to access the Samba share, right? After that, we are going to create a user. So sudo user add. So that user will be a limited user. Hyphen capital M. So what is the meaning of capital M? We are not going to create the home directory for this user. After that, we are applying the login shell to this user, and that is has been no login. What is the meaning of that? Has been no login means this user doesn't have authority to open the shell. It cannot enter in the shell. It means terminal cannot be opened by this user. So this will be a limited user, right? And after that, we are making this user the primary group member called finance gr. So this group will be the primary group of this user, and the username is audit user. That is the username, right? Just a moment. The command is user add, right? So this command created a user with no home directory, with no authority of using the terminal, the shell, and there will be no home directory. So that is a very limited user, right? Because of the security reason, we are created this kind of user, right? Now because the Samba database will be different, so we are creating the user audit user with the same name in the Samba database, right? So sudo smb password. So this command will create the password for this user inside the Samba database. So Samba is a different database, right? So hyphen a, the username in audit user. Now you have to enter the password that you desired. So I'm entering a password. So password is saved in the Samba database, right? Now, next is we have to enable this user. We are marking this user as enabled, and the command is add -e. So audit user is enabled in the Samba, right? Now we are going to create a directory. So sudo mkdir -p srv samba finance. So this directory is basically uh, is accessed by the audit user, right? Now we are basically setting the ownership of this directory. We are changing the ownership. Sudo chon who is the owner of this directory, and we are changing the ownership recursively. Recursively means uh, in the future, whatever the subdirectory in the finance, whatever the files will be created, so these all ownership will be changed. So root user will be the owner of this directory, and our finance grp will be the owner of this directory, right? So our directory name is srv samba finance. So this way we are changing the ownership, and after that we are modifying the permissions, right? So how we are modifying the permission, let's see. The command is chmod. So recursively we are specifying the permission 770. So if you don't know 770 means what, I have another video for permissions. So check my playlist and see the video. What is the meaning of 770? So recursively we have set SS770 permission of this Samba share directory, and after that we have to configure. We have to edit the main configuration file of the Samba. So where it is located? Sudo web. So it is located in etc Samba, and the main file name is smb.conf. So that is the main configuration file we are going to edit. And after that, you have to go to the last line of this file, and you have to write this thing. So I am explaining you that what is the meaning of these lines. So finance means what? Finance means a share. So this share with the name finance will be visible to the SMB client, Samba client. And command means the name of this share. Path means SRV Samba finance, that the directory I have created. Valid users means only this group members will access SRV Samba finance. Writable means yes, means users will go here and write this directory and read this directory. So browsable means the Samba finance group users will be able to open this, can we connect to this directory. Guest, okay, no, it means no guest user will be access this. Only the authenticated user can access this directory. So that is a super secure share, right? We have created. And after that, we have to test that in this file we have made no error. So the command is test parm. So by the command test parm, we are seeing that the smb.conf is okay. Now it is showing in the last my finance share. So everything is okay, it means. After that, you have to enable the Samba service inside the firewall. So how you can enable? The command is firewall -cmd add service, right? The service name is Samba in the firewall, and permanently. So this way we are adding the Samba service in the firewall, we are allowing it, and after that you have to reload. If you don't know how to edit the firewall, so one video is also there in my playlist. You can watch and see. So we are making these videos for helping students to pass the RHCSA exam. So please subscribe my channel and like my videos. After that, you have to enable the main services of Samba. So sudo systemctl enable hyphen now, and the service name is smb and nmb. So smb is the main service of Samba, and nmb is the NetBIOS naming service that is required for Samba, right? So these two services need to be enabled and started. If you want to verify that these services are properly running or not, so you can run the command one by one. Sudo systemctl status smb. So it is active and running, right? So my service is running very well, and after that we want to test that this Samba share is visible to client or not. So we, before going to the client machine, locally on the Samba server, we are checking that our share is working properly or not. It can serve to the client or not. So how you can check? Sudo smb client hyphen capital L localhost. Username is hyphen capital U. The username is your username, like audit user. In my case, it is audit user, and percentage. And which password you set, you have to specify here, right? So if it is showing your share name, it means your settings are correct, your configuration is correct. Now you can see the share is visible. Here you can see my finance Samba share protected share is enabled in the Samba server. So today we have seen that how to configure a Samba server with the secure authenticated share. And tomorrow the next part of this lab I will upload where the Samba client will access this share. So wait for tomorrow, and we will access this share from Samba client, the another machine, right? So if you are liking my videos, please subscribe my channel and like my videos. So wait for next part of this lab where I will configure the Samba client. So thank you very much.